Mm.
Jimmy, is there Jimmy?
Oh my God. Oh, guys. How is your weekend? You are disturbing my video. Please, just give me a minute, please. How is your weekend, guys? How is everyone doing? Oh, guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Oh, those that subscribed to my channel, I thank you all. May God bless you all. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please, I still need more. I still need your support. Please support me and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. I also press the notification bell. Anytime I upload my new video, those my comedy video, you people will be the first to receive it, guys. Just subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Don't give it a thumbs down. Always thumbs up. Thumbs up every time, guys, okay? Oh, God. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. My people. I don't know. I noticed one girl, one woman on YouTube. She always carrying go with one type of hair. Why? I don't know. Did you guys know the reason why she's using one type of hair? I have watched most all our video. It's only one hair. One hair I'm just seeing with her. Is it there is something under that hair? We don't know. I don't know. Please, if you guys know, let me know. Because I don't really understand. How can somebody will just be taking one hair from January to December? From January to December. Eh? Do you guys notice what I noticed? I don't know that you people don't want to say something about it. Me, I always say the truth too, because that thing is too much. It's getting too much. It will just be one hair from January to December. From January to December. All the video I see all our video is just one type of hair. There is something under that thing we don't know. Please, so you guys should let me know so that I should start saying anything about the hair. Please, so because I don't really understand. We are woman, and I think she's a mother, and she have a husband that she don't have. Because if you have husband, your husband is supposed to tell her, my sister, see you, my wife, see you. How can you be just used? Oh, guys, that is what I'm saying. No, I don't really understand. That thing is really too much. Now, wow. I also see one girl talking about his family, how her father killed her mother. But that one, even though that thing happened, is it normal to come to social media to say that kind of thing? My people, I know everybody have secret, but there is something you can say out. Not everything. It's not everything, no. People have to be careful for what they are saying, no. And another thing is that I also see one woman locking my inside bottle. Is it real? Please, so you guys should tell me. I'm just asking question. Is that true? Yes or no? Because how can somebody lock a husband inside bottle? A husband inside bottle since how many years has she been doing it? People should let me know. It's not funny anymore. What we Benin people are doing, I'm a Benin girl. What most people are doing is too bad of them. Locking your husband inside bottle. Controlling like a remote control. We have to be careful of what you are doing, because we have children, all those things, all those social media. Our children, they are coming to watch this thing tomorrow. What those things we are doing now? They will come and watch it. Look how their mother fully themselves on social media. Also look how their father fully themselves on social media. Is that a good thing for the children? Is that a good thing? For me, it's not a good thing. At least do something. The time your children will look that thing, they will be proud of you. Not to be just coming to social media every time, be fooling yourself, say what you don't have to say. It's not good at all. It's not good. It's not normal. I call that thing foolishness. So I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for what I'm saying, because that is what I'm thinking. Oh my God, these children, they are just really... I don't really know. Because those things we are doing now. our children will watch all those things tomorrow, and we have to control also the way we talk, the way we say something. What we have to look what we suppose say on social media, what we don't have to suppose talk. Not everything. People quarrel. What does that mean? Why are you guys quarreling every time? Me, I don't understand this quarrel every time on social media. It's not. We are one. We are one. We are one Nigerians. We are one Africa. Why can't us tolerate ourselves? Why can't us be our brothers' keepers? Why are we doing this? It's not good. You have to think over it and sleep over it and think. The way some people behave on YouTube, it's not good at all. It's not. When I watch some people's video, what they are doing there, no, it's not good. Think of your children. This thing is just like how will I put it? This thing is memory. It's memory. This thing will be there forever. Although some people do bad things, go there and delete it away and wipe it away, but it's not good. This thing is just memory. What people are just watching every time. I'm just doing my makeup because I'm learning. I'm just trying to do it very well because I have to go to church today, whether the devil like it or not. No devil will stand. Colette is just disturbing. I don't understand. When I'm doing something like this, she disturb a lot, No devil will stand on my way not to go to the church. No devil. I must, whether the devil like it or not. I must go to church today. Stop it now, I'm talking. Please, Okay, Mama. Mama. Say hi, guys. Come and say hi, guys. Come and say hi, guys. My daughter wants to say hi, guys. Yeah, say hi, guys. You see, she already painted her mat. We are say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. This is my last born. I'm a mother of 5. Mother of 5. This is my last day. Now I'm trying to lose my weight to get my body back. See what I'm taking. I'm taking my shake, guys. This is from Juice Plus. In case if anyone is interested. Juice Plus. I'm marketing Juice Plus. Next time, I will make a video of it. Now, today, I'm in a hurry to just get my makeup done and go to church.
Mama, see this too.
You see what they are doing with my makeup? You see what they are doing, guys? You see?
It's Stacy.
You see how Stacy paint her mat with my makeup? Now she want to use the palette. You see what she's doing? They are just messing up with my makeup. Where? They are guests. I have 4 guests. Can you imagine? Just one boy. 4 guests.
I do. Mama,
That is what I'm saying, guys. We have to be careful of what we are just doing, what we are saying from our mom because of our children. Because they are innocent children. Because what you did today, tomorrow that thing will affect the children. People will be laughing at them. See how your mother, because all those things is history. It's memory. They will say, see how your mother is messing up herself in social media last time. See what your mother was doing. They will be bringing everything out. Don't you see all those footballers? What their parents did before, they are just bringing it out now. It's how it happened. Because you don't know what that child, what your child, she or him or she, what she will become tomorrow. You don't have to destroy that children because of just to make name on social media. No, my people. Colette 999. You don't have to destroy those children's future because of what you are doing in social media just to make money for yourself and just to create a name. No, me, I don't call that one a name. No, at all. I don't call it a name. At all, my brothers and sisters. You have to mind what you are saying. Give your children respect. Also give yourself a respect. Not every time quarrel on social media, one thing or the other. No. See the other woman that day now just process of sleeping with another my husband. His wife come and naked her in the streets. I don't even know what that man see in that woman body. all his body. No. Very shapeless. That man self, the woman herself had to be ashamed of herself. Because see what his husband is sleeping with. Because I don't know. You that woman that naked a woman like you. I know what that woman did is too bad, but it go too far. It go too far, and this thing is a lesson to all those useless women out there who is sleeping with another people or another people husband. It's a lesson. If they will learn, no, because many of them will never learn. They will never change. Then when you deal with them in plan B, in plan A, they will be thinking of plan B. They will be thinking of plan B. It's very bad thing. It's very bad of them. And tomorrow now, our children will be. I bought this by. I think my friend bought this for me from London. It's also marked. It's too white. I have to miss it. It's too bad. It's too bad. I'm just looking for one thing or the other. My children, they are just terrorizing me. They are just dealing with me. I don't know. Stacy, that thing is not ponder. If you want to use this. It's not. Don't break it, oh please, I'm sorry, guys. You see, a mother. It's not easy to become a mother, my sisters. Please, so they are just disturbing, but they can't stop me not to make my video. They can't stop me at all. I have to make my video. You see what they are doing with me. You see what they are doing with my makeup. Wait, let Mama finish. So we are getting late. We have to walk with leg to church because our car. I have an accident. The car got spoiled. A serious accident. I just thank God for my life. The car got spoiled. It's still a mechanic, but I done that thing. It's not what I want anymore. We have to just sell it out and buy other car. Now we are looking for another car to buy. That is the option. We have to buy another car. Oh, guys, I'm getting it. How did you see it? Hey, all thanks to my friend, my Mama Flossie. She's also on YouTube. Mama Flossie. I'm getting it to just little by little. I will be there. I will be a professional as well. I'm just doing my own. For me, it's okay for me. I don't need more. Oh, go baby, go baby, go baby, go baby. Hey. Oh, guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm done with my makeup, guys. Okay, guys. Let me leave you guys. I'm going to church now.
Mama, open door.
No, wait, I'm coming. How to put on my shoe? It's my peruca, guys.
Now this is Mama.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also give it a thumbs up, guys.
Mama.
Let me do a leg side part. Wow.
Mama, close it.
Okay, guys, let me leave you guys. Bye-bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and also give it a thumbs up. How did my makeup look, guys? Let me show you guys my dressing. Here's my dressing. my dressing, guy. Bye-bye. Ooh. I'm going to church. Bye-bye, guys. Subscribe to my